for loop is something I want to for loop. For loop is something that it will we have to do something, a set of, I mean like, in confined number of times. That means it have a decisive quantity. It will, for so much number of times you iterate a section of code. Suppose if we consider this, the meaning is for loop, what we can say is, for certain quantity or number of times execute a piece of code. The main purpose of for loop is this one. In Python, for loop can be done in basically two ways. One is using range keyword. Before we see for loop, first we will see range. Okay, what is meant by a range? I'm going to make my var is equal to range of 1 to range of 1 to 10. Now what is my var? My var is containing a list of values. My var is containing now a list of values from 1 to 10. How means, for I in my var print I. Now it is containing a list of values. What my var? What I have told? I told you should have a range. I mean like I told range of 0 to 1. In other programming language, what you will do, for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, like that, right? Here it is I in range of, I am saying 1 to 10, like that. Now I want to iterate so many number of times, so I have created this one. Now another way is in the same way how we have done here, right? It is in the same way. See, now what will I do is, now what I am doing is I am converting this range of values into list. See, my var is a list, before it is a range. Now for that one, what we will do, the same thing. Now we will go to that, what I'm saying again here, for I in my var directly print I. Now again it will print from here to there. Now again I'll say my var is equal to range of 1 to 15. Now what is my var? It's a class type of range. Basically it's a type which it contains a series of elements inside both of it. Both are basically a type of sequence. So if you give anything, either list or any data, I mean like any data structure that is categorized under a list, I mean like categorized under an iterator, or we will see iterator, what is iterator and all later. For now you remember that a data type, it will iterate through each element out of it. Okay, now one more thing, in range itself we will see one more thing. um, my var is equal to range of, this is very easy now. Instead of you adding 1 comma 15 comma, I will say 2, my var, sorry, for I in my var, print I. See here, 1, in between I have 2 difference. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So what is the use of this third parameter? It will jump 2 steps ahead and it will take that value and it will place it here. That's what it is doing with range. So now in for loop, if you want to iterate through a series of quantity or numbers, what you have to do? Okay, for I, what I am saying, I in is an operator which is saying go and open this one, my var. I am specifying for an item, id is an item in a bucket of memory of my var. Take first one what is there, now print it. First time when it is done, it will come, then it will go for the second memory location, slice of it. Next again second one out of it, like that. Now what I will do is, now for I in I am giving a string as input. Inside the string, what I have told, we will have characters as pieces, right? See this. This is an Python class. Each character it is printing, taking the first memory out of it, taking the first memory out of it, taking the first memory out of it, like that. Now, for I in range of, now we will do a small one small program now.